Are you ready to harness the magical powers of unicorns?
And you don't even need a unicorn hat like this. All you need is a Simply Earth essential oil recipe box. We are going to make a unicorn-inspired soap because my daughter loves unicorns and I thought this recipe would be super fun.
Let's check it out. From your March recipe box, you're gonna wanna grab your labels and your recipe card.
We're going to be using the essential oils grapefruit and mandarin. And we're going to be using this mica powder to make our unicorn soap magical, as well as our glycerin melt and pour soap base.
And your soap mold. And you're also gonna need a teaspoon of rubbing alcohol in your spray bottle. And this is optional, but it's a must for us, the sprinkles.
Let's get making.
First step in the process is to grab your melt and pour soap from your recipe box. Put 5.5 cubes into a microwave safe container.
Or you can use a double boiler. While you're melting it, make sure to keep an eye on it because it can bubble over and your soap can burn.
We suggest doing this in 30-second intervals.
So we are going to add 5 drops of our essential oils, grapefruit and mandarin, and this is a really fun citrus smell. Then we're gonna stir it. Add this to our rubbing alcohol. Shiloh's gonna stir it. It looks so cool when you do that. Now I'm gonna take our soap mixture and pour about half into this pink mica rubbing alcohol mixture, and Shiloh's gonna stir it to make half of our soap be this pretty pink color. Okay. All right, so now what we're gonna do is pretty fun. We're gonna first put sprinkles in the bottom of this.
And whatever color, you should add some glitter.
So first, let's pour in this clear soap base. All right, so I put our soap mold on this little base because it's gonna make it easier for this next step. Because we are going to tilt this upwards, like so that our soap colors angle. We're gonna let that cool and set, and then we're going to set it back down so that it's flat. And go ahead and pour it. And now we're gonna let it set. When it's done, you can pull it out of the mold and it'll look something like this. Depending on how you angled your soap mold, will be how far the paint goes up the sides and things like that. Glycerin soap base is a really gentle soap base that you can use on your face or feel comfortable washing your kids' hands with it because it is such a gentle soap.
Make sure you store it in a sealable container. And don't forget your label. For more recipes just like this, head to simplyearth.com/box and don't forget to hit that subscribe now button.
Feel it?
Are you ready to harvest the magical...
Not harvest.
Harness.